Standards Aligned episode. At the end of today's episode, there will be a quiz item related to Common Core CCSS math content for NBT B6 division with remainders. Good luck! Manera. My name is Paxton. The world is awesome. I'm here to help you know and care more about the world beyond the USA. It's January 9th, 2022. Our first headline is Barbados said goodbye to the United Kingdom last year. First, where is Barbados? It's an island in the Caribbean not too far from Venezuela. Barbados, which was once a territory of the United Kingdom, voted to swear in its first president, Sandra Mason, last November and has decided to remain part of the British Commonwealth, a group of 54 countries that voluntarily connect with each other based on their history with the British Empire. But Barbados will not recognize Queen Elizabeth as the head of state. By the way, pop star Rihanna and Prince Charles were at the swearing-in ceremony. Our second headline is the Prime Minister of Denmark is in a scandal about culling minks. First, what does culling mean? Culling is the word for basically killing animals altogether for a specific purpose, usually when there are too many of them. Minks are mammals that are often kept as pets or used for fur. Last year, Prime Minister Mette Frederiksen ordered 17 million minks to be culled because of fears that minks could spread the coronavirus. This caused 5,000 jobs to be lost in Denmark, and it was also against the law. They're calling this scandal Minkgate. Oh, maybe you don't know what a scandal is? A scandal is when someone does something very bad, usually a famous person, and it becomes what everybody is talking about. Our third headline is Christmas came to Saudi Arabia last year. If you didn't know, Saudi Arabia strictly controls what its citizens can do, especially if it is something from Western culture or Christianity. You might remember that until just a few years ago, Saudi Arabia was the only country that didn't allow women to drive. They tried to strictly follow the Quran. So it was a surprise for many last year when stores were allowed to sell Christmas decorations. While Christmas is officially banned, celebrations are now allowed, thanks to Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman, who perhaps is trying to show the world that Saudi Arabia is becoming more tolerant to different cultures. Our fourth headline is a drone delivers medical supplies to Cape Verde. Cape Verde is a small island nation off the coast of Senegal. Like Indonesia, it's considered an archipelago since its territory consists of islands only. Cape Verde is 10 volcanic islands, and it is often difficult to deliver medical supplies. So computer scientist Erico Pinheiro invented a drone system. It is saving lives by bringing medicine and provisions that would take doctors many days to do so without the technology. Our fifth headline is South Korean officials say more than 100 house fires in the past 3 years were caused by cats. 107 fires in South Korea were caused by cats since 2019. How did they happen? A lot of times it was by cats jumping on ovens and activating touch-sensitive buttons. South Korea is trying to teach its citizens with cats to be very careful. And our question of the day is, If there were 107 fires caused by cats in South Korea over 3 years, on average, how many fires were caused by cats per year? You might want to pause this while you get a pen and paper. Is it A, 35 with a remainder of 1, B, 35 with a remainder of 2, or C, 35 with a remainder of 3? And the answer is B! 107 divided by 3 equals 35 with a remainder of 2. Thanks for listening to World Catlines with Paxton. There's lots more news for kids streaming at LNE.news.com. We're also on YouTube and major podcasting platforms. May your sweetness shine and your colors glow! Sources include The New York Times, CNN, and the BBC.